Hey everybody, welcome to Ocala Garage. So today is just going to be a quick little unboxing video. I got some goodies today. Got a little package from Russ Thompson and a package from Amazon. So let me angle you down so you can see what we got. So I've already ordered a couple of things from Russ Thompson. And if you're not aware, he does some pretty cool custom stuff for the Daytona Coupe and also the the Cobra kit car, and I think maybe even the truck and a few other things. He's got some pretty cool stuff. Great guy to work with, and he's pretty quick turnaround. He's pretty honest about how long things are going to take. So I ordered the turn signal, and here's some instructions he sends with it. Nice little handwritten note, actually apologizing the pictures are not better. Feel free to help me improve them. Nice. Blah, blah, blah. So we'll keep this off to the side. A little packing, more packing. All right, here we go. Let me be gentle with this thing. So I had to send him my steering boss, and then he modifies that. And you get back from him this thing. So let me go ahead and rip this open, kind of careful like. There we go. Alright, so there we go. We've got a nice little left-right turn signal steering boss. It's got some wires to wire in to the harness for the turn signals. I think this also, I think you can do a high beam, I don't recall. I'm mostly just concerned about the turn signals. So this is my new steering column. So very cool, and then some nice instructions. So that was, that's packaged up nice. I'm gonna wait to pull this off. Oh, also, so to go along with this, the other thing that came perfectly timed today is this package. So we can get this open. And I bought Energy NRG quick release for the steering wheel. So I got to do some modifications to this dude to make it fit. Yeah, and then this is the horn button stuff, I assume. But not sure how this works actually. But anyway, it comes apart. So there we go. Should be part of it. Anyhow, we're gonna get that onto this, and then whenever my steering wheel comes, we can modify that to get it to mount, and we'll have everything we need. So those are my goodies for today. So that is awesome. Yep. Open, close. I'll have to figure out how to work this thing. Alright, anyhow, enough ignorance online. So, sorry it's a quick little video today, guys. I haven't gotten too much time to do work on the car. It's springtime here on the farm, so there's just stuff to do outside. But we'll get back at the car as soon as I can. Plus, I'm still waiting on a handful of parts. My upper control arm for the front still isn't here, so I'm kind of stuck on the front. I do have my solid rear axle, so I'm going to do the work on that here pretty soon. I think that's the next thing I'm going to do, most likely. I might actually finish up the fuel tank and get that installed. Probably get that installed. That might be the smartest thing, because I don't think it'll interfere with anything I'm doing with the rear. So anyway, I'm rambling. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll catch you next time.